Hello friends, welcome back. Now in order to access each of our articles, we have to manually type the exact URL into our browser. So we need to do something so that we can click on the link to access that particular article. So for that, we will code our article list page so that it actually displays a list of our articles. And if we click on the article, it will take us to that particular article. For that, we need to go to VS Code, and inside our article list page we need to import article content. Okay, so let's do it. Import article content from dot slash article content. Okay, let's save this and let's close this so we will get some space. Now we need to map all the articles, but before that we will do some styling. So we need to add some CSS classes, Tailwind CSS classes. So after this h1 tag, I will take a div with the class name that is going to be container. Padding from top and bottom will be 4 mx auto. Okay, let's close this div, and inside this div I will take one more div, and then we need to have class name flex wrap, and then minus margin hyphen 4. Okay, then let's close this div as well. Then here we will map the content. So let's take curly braces, and here I'll do article content dot map, and inside this we need an arrow function, and here I'll pass the variable as article, and we also need a key, so that will be index. And inside this I'll take a div, then I'll take a key that is going to be index. Then we need a class name, okay, for styling, so that is going to be padding 4, and in medium device we need the width to be half, so half. Okay, let's close this div. Then inside this div I'll take one more div. Okay, and here I will add class name that is going to be height of full, border will be 2. Then we need border color, so border gray, that is going to be 200. Then we need border opacity, so border opacity, that is going to be 60. Rounded LG, then overflow hidden. Okay, then inside this div I'll take a link tag, so link, and once you click on this, you can see this link tag. This link component is automatically imported from React router DOM. So we need this link component, and here I'll give the path. So that is, here inside the curly braces I'll take backtick key, and here I'll write slash article slash and then dollar sign curly braces article dot name, and here I'll close the link tag, and inside I'll take an image tag, sorry, not link tag, it's a link component. Then I'll take image tag. Okay, then let's add the class name that is going to be in LG height of 48, in MD we need height of 36, then we need width of full. All these classes I have explained in my Tailwind CSS course, so if you want you can buy that course. Then we have object center, then we need src, that is going to be article dot thumbnail. So this is the thumbnail. Okay, this is the path which we want, so that is the reason I have wrote article dot thumbnail. Then alt tag, alt tag can be blog. Okay, let's close this image tag, let's save this. Now what we need is, we need this images. Right now we don't have this images folder as well as this images. So inside public folder I'll create a folder with the name images, and then I have all these images on my desktop. So let's go to desktop. So here are the images. So let's we need to drag all these images in this images folder. So these are 1 2 3 images, block 1, block 2, block 3 images. So let's drag this inside this image folder. So right now, as you can see, all these images are here in this folder, and you will get all the images from the GitHub link. So no need to worry. Now let's save this and check if the application is running or not. So my application is running. Make sure that your application is running on localhost 3000. So let's go to the browser and check. So let's click on article list. So here, as you can see, we are getting all the images. Okay, once I click on these images, it will take you to that particular article. Okay, so if I click here, it will take me to this article, and if I click here, it will take me to this article. Okay, so this is working fine. All the images are also fine. Now we want some title and some text. Okay, so let's do it. Let's go to VS Code, and here after this link component, we will take a div tag. Let me close this div tag. Sometimes it automatically gives us the closing div tag, but sometimes it doesn't work. So here I'll do class name, that is going to be padding 6. Okay, and inside this div tag I need a link component. So link, and key will be index, and here I need to give the path. So this is a backtick key slash article slash dollar sign, and then inside the curly braces I'll take article dot name. Okay, let's close this link tag, and inside this I'll take an h3 tag, and here I'll do article dot title. Okay, and let's add few Tailwind CSS classes. So class name, that is going to be text large, sorry, text LG, and font, that is going to be medium. Then text color we need, so text gray, that is going to be 900, and margin bottom will be 3. Let's save this and let's check it in the browser. So now as you can see, we are getting all the titles, so this is working fine. Now what else we require? We require some text. So after this link component, I'll take a p tag, right? And inside the p tag, first let's add some Tailwind CSS classes. So the styling is done, leading, relax. Then what else we need? Margin bottom 3. That's it. Okay, then inside this p tag, okay, let me hit an enter. Here I'll take article dot content, and on the zero element, I need dot substring. Okay, and it will be, that's going to be from 0 to 115. Okay, let's save this, and now let's check it in the browser. So as you can see, okay, one more thing we required is dot dot dot. Okay, save this. So now it will make you feel like there is some more text. Okay, so maybe we can do 110 because that's too much of text. Okay, so this is fine. Now what else we need? We need learn more button. Okay, so after this p tag, I'll take a div. Let's close this div, and here I will add some Tailwind CSS classes. So class name, that is going to be flex, then item center, then we need flex wrap. Okay, then inside this I'll take a link component, and here I will add some class name. So that is going to be text indigo 500, then inline flex, then we need items to be center, then in medium device we need margin bottom to be 2, then in large device margin bottom will be 0. Okay, let's close this link tag, and here I will do learn more. And one more thing, we need to set the path, so 2, and that is going to be backtick key slash article slash dollar sign curly braces article dot name. Okay, let's save this. Now let's check it in the browser. So as you can see, we are getting this learn more button. If I click here, it will take you to that particular article. If I click on this, it will take me to this particular article, and if I click on this learn more, it will take me to that particular article. Okay, so this is really cool, and this is really looking nice. So this is it for this video. We have completed the article list page. So this is it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.